Boy Who Cried Wolf. This story is about Sam, some sheep, the villagers, and maybe a wolf. Sam lived in a little village in the mountains. Every day, he took the sheep from the village up the hill to a grassy meadow. The boy said, "Here we are again." He watched them from the morning until evening. "La la 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 la," the boy said. "This way, mutton brain," the boy said. Then he took them home again. Every day was the same. Sam was lonely and he was so bored. "Same old mountains, same old trees," said the boy. All his friends were down in the village. He tried talking to the sheep. "And how are you today?" the boy said to the sheep. "Bah," said the sheep. But they didn't have much to say. "Nobody ever comes up here," moaned Sam. "Nothing ever happens." One day he had an idea. "I could make something happen," said the boy. He ran down the hill to the village. "Help, help!" shouted the boy. "What's the matter?" said one woman. "Come quickly," said the boy. "A wolf!" he shouted. "A wolf has come out of the forest." Everyone ran up the hill with him. "My sheep!" shouted one man. "Hurry!" another. Puffing and panting, they reached the meadow. Of course, there was no wolf. "All that way for nothing," said the man angrily. The sheep were quietly eating their grass. The villagers were very angry, but Sam just laughed. "That was funny," said the boy. "No, it wasn't," said the man. A few days later, Sam was bored again. He ran down the hill to the village. "What's the matter now?" said a man. "Help, help!" said the boy. "Come quickly!" said the boy again. "A wolf!" he shouted. "A wolf has come out of the forest." Some people didn't believe him. "Oh, yes, whatever," said the man. "We'd better make sure," said another. But most ran up the hill to see. Puffing and panting, they reached the meadow. Of course, there was no wolf. The sheep were quietly eating their grass. "What are you grinning at?" said the man. Everyone was very angry, but Sam just laughed. A week later, Sam was bored again. He ran down the hill to the village. "Help, help! There really is a wolf," said the boy. "Come quickly," said the boy again. Most people didn't believe him this time. Just a few ran up the hill. Puffing and panting, they reached the meadow. "You think you're so clever," said a woman. Of course, there was no wolf. The sheep were quietly eating their grass. Now everyone was furious. Sam laughed and laughed. A few days later, a wolf did come out of the forest. Sam was terrified. He ran down the village as fast as he could. "Help! Please help!" said the boy. Nobody believed him. "Do you think we're so stupid?" said the man. "I promise you there's a wolf!" shouted the boy. Sam begged them to come with him. "You have to help me." This time, they just laughed at him. In the end, Sam had to go back up the hill all alone. The wolf had killed some of the sheep. The rest had run away. Sam stayed in the meadow until it was dark. Finally, the villagers came to find him. "Our sheep! No!" said one man. "I told you," said the boy. "Why didn't you believe me?" he asked. "You always told lies before," they said. "I'm sorry. I've learned my lesson. Never again," said Sam. The end.
check out these other great videos from Ajarn Mieder, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.